You're crushing it, hustling every day to build your business. But let me ask you this. Are you driving in the dark? Picture yourself on a road at night. No streetlights, just a sliver of moonlight. Every turn is a guess. Every bump could throw you off course. Scary, right? Now, imagine a light post cutting through the darkness. Suddenly, you see the road ahead. You can navigate. You can make moves. That's data, my friends. Data is your light post in the business world. It illuminates the path, shows you the potholes, and helps you make smart decisions. But here's the thing. A light post doesn't drive the car. You still got to grab the wheel, hit the gas, and steer your business in the right direction. Data is fuel. It's guidance, but it's not a magic bullet. You got to know how to use it. Look, I'm all about action, but you got to start with the right question. What's the one thing you need to know to move the needle in your business? Is it what makes my customers tick? Why are people bouncing from my website? Or how can I optimize my pricing? Get laser focused on the question that matters most. Don't just gather data for the sake of it. Have a purpose, a mission, a burning desire to uncover the truth. Once you have that question, write it down, stick it on your wall, make it your mantra, because that question, that's your North Star, guiding you through the data jungle. Trust me, clarity is everything. You wouldn't fuel your car with dirt, would you? Same goes for data. If you're working with bad data, inaccurate, outdated, or just plain wrong, your insights will be worthless. Make sure you're pulling from reliable sources, whether it's your website analytics, customer surveys, or industry reports. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Dive into your data, understand where it's coming from, and make sure it's clean and organized. Remember, quality over quantity. A small data set of accurate data is worth more than a mountain of garbage. All right, you got your question, you've gathered your data. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. Data preparation is like prepping ingredients before you cook. You gotta chop, dice, and season to create something delicious. Clean up any errors, deal with missing values, and format your data so it's ready for analysis. This might seem tedious, but trust me, it's crucial. The cleaner your data, the more accurate your insights will be. Think of it like this. You wouldn't eat a steak that hasn't been properly cleaned and prepared, would you? Same goes for data. Chapter 4, Unleash the Power of Analysis. Now it's time to put on your detective hat and start digging for insights. Use data analysis techniques to uncover trends, patterns, and correlations. Look for relationships between different variables and try to understand the story your data is telling. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and techniques. There's a whole world of data analysis software out there, from basic spreadsheets to advanced statistical packages. Find what works best for you and your business. Chapter 5, Paint the Picture. Data visualization. Data can be overwhelming, especially if you're drowning in spreadsheets. That's where data visualization comes in. Turn those raw numbers into compelling visuals that tell a story. Use charts, graphs, and dashboards to make your insights clear, concise, and easy to understand. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 spreadsheets. When you visualize your data, you're making it accessible to everyone in your organization, from the CEO to the intern. This shared understanding is crucial for making data-driven decisions. Chapter 6, Time to Act. Making decisions. You've done the hard work, now it's time to reap the rewards. Use your data-driven insights to make informed decisions about your business. Whether it's optimizing your marketing campaigns, improving your product development process, or streamlining your operations, Data can help you make smarter choices. But remember, data is a tool, not a dictator. Use your intuition, experience, and gut feeling to guide your decisions. Data can inform your choices, but it shouldn't paralyze you. Sometimes you just gotta trust your gut. Chapter 7. The cycle continues. Monitoring your results. The data game never sleeps. Once you've made a decision, it's crucial to track the results and see how it's impacting your business. Set up tracking mechanisms, monitor your key metrics, and be prepared to adjust your course if needed. Data analysis isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. The business world is constantly changing, and your data needs to keep up. Stay curious, stay agile, and never stop learning. The more you understand your data, the better equipped you will be to navigate the ever-evolving business landscape. Outro, let there be light. Data alone won't guarantee success, but it's the most powerful tool you have to illuminate the path forward. Remember that light post on that dark road? Data is your guide, your beacon in the night, but you're the one behind the wheel. You have the power to take this information, turn insights into action, and drive your business to new heights. At JC Freeman Corporate Coaching and Consulting, we're all about empowering small businesses like yours to harness the power of data. We'll help you translate those numbers into actionable strategies, turning data from a passive report into a driving force for growth. So, what are you waiting for? Let's light up your path to success. Reach out to JC Freeman Corporate Coaching and Consulting today, and let's turn your data into a guiding light.